Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by choosing the sound you want, open Reels and hit the music icon right away. Once done, search or select Saved Audio, preview it so you know where the beat lands. Tap Use Audio and pick the exact segment. This gives you control over the clip length and entry point. Make sure to save the audio if you plan to reuse it. Now that the source is set, you're ready to record or add clips synced to that chosen sound. Now you focus on precision. Trim the audio segment so the important beat is inside your shot. Once trimmed, record or import video, and use the audio menu to adjust music versus original audio levels. Balance matters for voiceover clarity. Use the Align tool and timer to plan clips around beats. This helps you cut or transition exactly where the sound emphasizes action. Make small test clips, then tweak the start point and volume until motion, speech, and music feel naturally connected. Finish by previewing the whole reel, add captions and a cover, and make sure the on-screen audio credit appears if needed. Once satisfied, check sharing settings. Public audio helps discoverability, then post. If something goes wrong, try one key fix. Update the app and check microphone and storage permissions, then re-import or reselect the audio. If a track is muted or unavailable, switch to a different clip or use your original audio and resync. That usually resolves most playback issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.